Welcome to our kitchen tale. Ngayon po, tayo ay magluluto ng chicken lechon paksiw. Ito po yung mga ingredients na kailangan. 1 whole chicken lechon chopped. 1 big size onion cut into strips. 10 pieces garlic cloves crushed. 7 pieces of bay leaves. 1/4 cup brown sugar. 1/3 cup vinegar. 1/8 cup soy sauce. 1 small size bottle of Mang Tomas sauce. 1 cup of water. Lastly, a teaspoon of salt and pepper. Ngayon po, umpisahan na po natin ang pagluluto. Isasaute po muna natin yung bawang at sibuyas. Ngayon po, isunod na natin yung lechon manok. Then, yung pong suka at toyo. Then, after a minute, isunod po natin yung Mang Tomas. Ilagay na po natin yung dahon ng laurel. Ilagay na po natin yung tubig at hayaang kumulo for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, ilagay na po natin yung sugar. And then, hayaan po natin ulit siyang kumulo for about 10 minutes more in a low fire heat only. Then, lastly po, yung salt and pepper. Ngayon po, pwede na ang ating chicken lechon paksiw. Ito na po ang ating finished product, ang chicken lechon paksiw. Thank you for watching. God bless!